Hello everybody. So today we are gonna look at this tool called serveo, which is used to share your local host file. So let me just show you. So let me just open my VS Code. So let's run the server. Hold on a sec. So now it's starting on port 5050. So this is very simple website design. So when you just open the pop-up, it just open the pop-up. So that's gonna be our localhost file. So what we are gonna do is to install this servo. So here is a GitHub link. So let's open our terminal. So let's minimize this code. So let's open the so what you can do is I have already installed it on it. Let me just install it right here, right now. So we need to use wget command to just install wherever you want. So I could do make dir reo. So inside this directory, right? So now we can click over here. Now we are successfully download this script. So let's just do that. Then let's give them the permission. So let's do so here you should have the servo. So if we do servo.sh, right, so it will try to just show you the option how it's gonna be used. So now we are looking at the demo for the servo. So what we can do is to first of all do ssh. So let's paste this command and replace the port number as 5000, because our local host is running on port 5000. Now it should generate the URL to view globally. So let's do enter and okay, forwarding. So we have this https URL. So if we just do copy that and just paste it on the browser. So let me just open right here and paste it right like this. So now we should get the URL. So let me just see the what's happening. It's okay. Our port number was wrong. So let's do that again with 550. Okay, so let's do enter and it should regenerate the URL, and we could just copy this URL and let's open this on the browser. So let me just opening it on the browser. So if we just do enter. So now we have got the uh, access of the local host. So if you go to its sites, right, here you have the manual so for it. So if you want to have a further control over it, so you can just see from here. So one more thing to remember is sometimes it says SSH connection port 22 refuse. So don't worry, because when you open this site, if it's working, then the connection will work. If this URL doesn't show this manual, right, then it won't work. Since this is a free tool, there might be a server overload. That is why it won't. So the sometimes it's busy, so you have to be patient to use this. Thank you guys.